festive fall vibes. I feel like I'm just not a cold brew girly. This is the first time I'm feeling true happiness in like weeks.
It's giving podcaster.
Cutesy vibes, cozy vibes, baking vibes. I accidentally melted it. Got my coffee, got my cookie. So I just got all three. Hello people, good morning. It's Friday. Let's do some skincare. Okay, this needs some fixing. What is going on? Ugh, so freaking annoying. Okay, I hate this headband. Okay, I need to stop complaining. Anyway, hi. It's Friday. I have a lot of things to do. So just a little update really quick. I was in Texas visiting John during his fall break because his family lives there. And I just got back last week and I have not been on my game. I just feel like I'm so behind on everything. My laundry is piling up. My room is a mess. I kind of like tried to clean up last night, but it didn't really work. But it's fine. At least I tried, you know? There's just a lot of things to do and I feel very frozen and it's a struggle. It's actually kind of funny because it's World Mental Health Day. Speaking of mental health, your girl's been going through it. I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know if it's my period or what, but like it's been going on for a while now and it's a bit concerning. Real talk, right now I am happy, or I don't know, am I happy? Like my mood is happy. Is it happy? Oh my god, I don't know. Guys. I don't know. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm not feeling the greatest recently. I literally cried myself to sleep the other night for absolutely no reason. I was just sitting there in bed staring and all of a sudden I started crying because I was like, wow, I'm sad. And then the tears just started falling out of my eyes. But anyway, moral of the story, I'm kind of sad right now, but it's fine. I don't know. We're just gonna get through this together. I feel like I always go through these rough patches, so hopefully I'll be fine. I'm just gonna get back into my routine and start doing productive things to make me feel a little bit more better, because I noticed that the reason why I struggle so much is when things start piling up, and it literally could be anything, like just things that I need to do. It gets so overwhelming and it stresses me out because I feel like I have too many things to do and there's so many things to do and there's not enough time and not enough energy and I just can't do anything. So then I end up freaking out, freezing, and not doing anything at all. So yeah, that's the vibe right now. Also, side note, do you see this red mark here? Yeah, I was throwing away my recycling last night, or I was recycling my recycling, and I opened the lid as I was putting the boxes in, like my head was in the recycling bin. The entire lid came crashing down on my face, and yeah. Ugh, my beautiful face. Poor thing. Okay, done with my skincare now. Now let's go make a little drinky. Hello, we're in my room now, as you can tell. I don't know how to feel about this coffee. It's the Chamberlain coffee cold brew packs. I just made a whole batch, so I'm just trying to finish it up at this point. It's not bad, but I feel like I'm just not a cold brew girly. I just feel like it's so watery. Is that just me? Like, doesn't hit the same as espresso. I don't know why I made a cold drink. It's so cold today. We literally had a heat wave last week, so I am extremely confused, but it's fine. Just put my laundry in the washing machine, so that was very productive of me today, you know? Anyway, I've got a lot of things to do today. I have to edit the vlog that's going up tomorrow. I'm still not done with it. It's the Hawaii vlog, and then I need to do my thumbnail. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on this editing, and then the productive vibes will be very, very strong. Hello guys, it is currently 3 p.m. Yes, I am still at my desk. But anyway, a lot of you guys have been asking me how I create my thumbnails. So I wanted to show you everything I use. Okay, let's first talk about equipment. This is my iPad Pro. This is the M4 version. And then I also use an Apple Pencil. Anyway, let's open this girl up. Here she is. I also have a paper-like screen protector. So like, it's kind of like matte. Basically what the protector does is it mimics paper texture. So then my Apple Pencil isn't like sliding hiding around here all willy-nilly. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I highly recommend getting the paper-like screen protector. And then for software, I typically use Adobe Illustrator. This is how I create the actual thumbnail. I basically just lay out everything on here, and then I'll add my like text here and then all the graphics. The one limitation I would say that Adobe Illustrator on the iPad has is that you can't really sketch and draw as much as you can when you're using Procreate. And personally, I think Procreate is really good for drawing and sketching and just using more like brushes and pencils and pens and all that type of stuff, you know what I'm talking about? And I'm trying to learn more about it, so I wanted to talk about today's sponsor. I'm so excited to partner with Skillshare because I have been wanting to learn Procreate so badly for the past few months, and I've been using the online classes and learning paths to just learn more. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes led by so many amazing, talented people in the industry all across, including like illustration, filmography, design, and freelance, and literally so much more. Skillshare can really help you take your careers, your hobbies, passions, or even your side hustle to the next level. And personally, I'm really excited to learn how to use Procreate and even explore learning how to start my own business. The platform has so many classes for creatives, and I think it's a fabulous place to start learning any new skill. And this week, I'm specifically focusing on learning more about starting my own business. I'm taking e-commerce and product photography classes, and I feel like this can really help me develop just a really strong foundation. There's classes across many different difficulty levels, so whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned professional, there's something for everyone. You can check out Skillshare in the link in my description, and you can get started learning right away, girl. Because I know you've been putting off that side project for a while now. I know, I really know. We all are, aren't we? So right now is the perfect, absolute perfect time, or maybe even like you might discover a new hobby. Also, the first 500 people to use my link will get a free month of Skillshare. So make sure to click that link right now before everyone beats you to it. So anyway, I gotta get back on this thumbnail, so let's get back to work. Guys! Oh my god, this is the first time I'm feeling true happiness in like weeks. I finished the thumbnail. I think she's so cute. Like, what? What? I'm gonna cry right now. Is this not so adorable? I love it. The vibe, immaculate. It's so island girl princess, gorgelicious, girly pop, you know? I love it. It's so cute. Yay! Okay, cool. So this is gonna go up along with the vlog that I finished editing today. Wow, productive vibes. Now that I'm thinking about how productive I am, I just realized that I put my laundry in the washing machine and I never took it out. So, we can't have everything, you know? Guys, okay, first of all, good morning. Second of all, I've been using this mic for a while now and I kind of like it. Like, I feel like the sound quality sounds really good. The only issue is that like, I don't like the aesthetic of having to hold this mic up to my mouth. Like, this just looks really weird and a little too professional for me. Like, yes, I could clip it here, but it doesn't sound the same. You know what I mean? You can hear it, it doesn't sound right. So like, I don't know. It's giving MC, it's giving podcaster, it's giving not the vibe. Anyway, currently drinking a little, energy drink. But anyway, sippy. It's really cold and it's giving fall today. And like, I do like the cold, but at the same time, I hate when it's freezing because I hate being cold. But at the same time, you can like cozy up and have like a cute cozy day in with like blankets and candles and whatnot. So that'll be nice. Like maybe I'll have like a little cute cozy day in today. Anyway, I don't know why I'm rambling. I feel like this is an excuse because I don't want to work out right now because it's so cold. I should really get to it. Okay, see ya. See ya on the dance floor. Hello. I washed my hair. Oh yes, very nice. What are we doing? It's coffee time, yes. Okay, so I made this last night. Cold brew, again. I literally just like put these little, they're like little tea bags, but it's coffee. So like coffee bags, I don't know. Yeah, I just put all of them in here and then take it out. Okay. And here we have some beautiful cold brew. Yes. And low key, I was drinking it black yesterday and I like it better than with milk. Call me crazy. Oh no, Julia's becoming that person. No, like it actually tastes good black. Literally, like who have I become? And we're gonna put it in a mason jar too. Like, girl, this is too much. Yes. Ah, it's dripping. Where's my straw? Glass mason jar, glass straw, black coffee. Sorry. I don't know why I'm acting weird. Like, guys, I'm so weird. I'm so different. I'm so quirky. Like, what's going on? That's nice. I just feel like it might be counterintuitive, but when I put milk in it, it like waters it down, if that makes sense. So maybe if I put like creamer in it, it would be good. I'll have to figure out like what works best with cold brew, but I'm liking this so much more than when I put milk in it. Also, I figured since it's the weekend, we should do some baking. Fall vibes, cutesy vibes, cozy vibes, baking vibes. I got this from Trader Joe's. It's the everything but the kitchen sink cookie mix. It just has so much stuff in it. People were saying that it's like really salty, but I'll be the judge of that. So we can either do cookies or cookie bars. I don't know what cookie bars are. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and start making this. First of all, I need to get butter that's softened. But unfortunately, my butter has been in the fridge. So I'm gonna try to like microwave this very slowly and hopefully it softens and doesn't melt. I don't know. I mean, if it does melt, I might just like pop it back in the fridge. Anyway, let me just do this really quick. And we're gonna put this butter inside and I'm gonna go microwave it really quick. Guys, I accidentally melted it. It's like half melted. This is what it looks like. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for like, I don't know, 10 minutes and hopefully it'll kind of harden a little bit. Oh no! Ah! Anyway, I got my little trusty mixer. So let's just set her up while I wait for the butter to chill out. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna go check on the butter. So she's still melted. We're gonna wait a little longer, but in the meantime, I'm gonna empty out the oven because we put all of our pots and pans inside the oven because I think everyone does that. Why am I explaining that? I don't know. Anyway, let's clean her out. You know, I never understood why we have so many lids. Like, I don't even think we have the correct pots to go with the lids. So like, we just have a random, like none of them have pairs. And it's very concerning. Ah, yes, my baking thing. This is what we need. And I'm gonna preheat this to 350. I am feeling very impatient, so this butter is just gonna have to go in half melted. So let's just dump her in. Okay. See, like some of the pieces were softened and like not melted. I think it's fine. It's all about love. As long as there's love, it'll turn out A-okay. Now, let me cream this together. Guys, this is not very creamed vibes. It's very like liquidy. It's supposed to be kind of like whipped. You know what I mean? Kind of like a whipped cream texture. It's giving melted chocolate. Okay guys, I put it back in the freezer. It's like whipping up pretty well. I think it's better now. Like, look at that. There's ribbons. Okay guys, it's all nice and whipped up. So I'm gonna add my egg in and then I'll just mix it on low. I don't wanna get any shells in there. Hello. While we wait for the cookies to bake, we will eat my yogurt bowl. Yes. And my Brazil nut. Oh my god. This looks so yummy. After I made the switch from using bananas to berries, I feel like the bowl has just exponentially gotten better. Cause like the yogurt is very tart and it gets some time to like get used to, but like the berries are tart as well. So then it kind of like makes it a tart dessert, if that makes sense. And then when you add the almond butter and the almonds, it just balances out all the tartness and it's just delicious. So good. Protein pack, fiber pack, just like the best thing that I can start my day with. I'm so excited to try them. Oh, I need to let them cool down though. This is so tempting. Okay guys, moment of truth. I'm gonna grab a cookie. Oh, it's still a little warm. I don't know if I should just let it sit or just go for it. Okay, I decided that I'm just gonna go for it. Guys, oh my god, look how cute she is. What? Oh my god. Wait, adorable. Okay, got my coffee, got my cookie. Let's try. It's not too sweet. I like that. Whoa. Okay, that's good. It is a bit salty, but I kind of like that, you know? Oh, wow. Oh, I love this. This is so good. If you like cookies that aren't like too sweet, kind of more of like a savory, these are really good. Guys, I'm eating another one. It's just so good. Oh my god. What the heck? It's like crispy too. Also, don't mind my fingernails. They broke. It's a whole thing. I don't want to get into it. Wow, immaculate. Hello, it is 2:45 and I'm bored. So we're gonna do my nails because this is not cutting it right now. I don't even know. Yeah. Anyway, I actually got brand new polishes. I got 3 red ones because I could not decide which one, like I couldn't tell the difference when I was looking at it on TikTok shop. So I just got all 3. That is a very bad economical decision, but listen, the nails. We gotta invest in our nails, right? Anyway, I'm just gonna watch Sex and the City and do my nails. It'll be my vibe for this quaint afternoon. Guys, look, I finished the nails. This is so weird to me because I never have like bright color nails. My nails are always like a nude color or like very sheer pink. But look who's getting in the festive fall vibes. Yeah, that's me. Anyway, I have about 15 minutes to get ready to go to the movies with Jonavi. Let me clean all this up. Let me like look presentable for the public and then we're gonna get out of here.
Good.
Oh. I forgot that I could do this.
Hope you like flying. Beautiful day for it.